Hey, good morning, everybody. It's another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is July 15th, Thursday, and a lot of economic news going on for the day. We'll start off with the initial jobless claims. They actually came in at 429,000 for last week, which is not great news, but it's news in the sense that the last couple of weeks have come down. We've been averaging between 450 and 475, so that decline is actually pretty good news. We also have the producer price index. This is kind of inflationary on the wholesale side of things. Came in at negative, and the core came up like 0.1%. So very tame inflation numbers there. But then we go to the Philadelphia Fed index, big drop there. Their estimated increase of the manufacturing up to 10, it actually dropped down to 5.1. Empire State Index, industrial production, everybody just kind of dropped. So the manufacturing side is not looking so positive to get us kind of growing and get us out of this recession. We're needing housing, which has been kind of real stagnant of late, or manufacturing, which also is not really showing anything. So right now, not too optimistic of outlook there. You're seeing the stock market is down today because of all the economic news with the lack of growth. But meanwhile, the bond market's actually showing a big improvement here. All that money is actually going to the bond market here, mortgage-backed securities. So we're up currently about 34 basis points. And so as you can see, when we had the bond rollover, we're still going up an upward trend. We've had a kind of a long sideways pattern here, which now the 10-day, you can kind of start seeing that going a sideways pattern. So that helped us jump over the 10-day moving average after the bond rollover. So if it wasn't for the bond rollover, it would probably be obviously a lot higher, probably looking at over 102 mark. So we're at some pretty high numbers here that we haven't really seen for, if ever, or very high. So these are actually very good numbers. So mortgage rates will definitely be, we've seen some improvement this morning, so that's real good. People who are looking to refinance or buy, I mean, that's all going to be good for them. Great interest rates going on right now. So anything else changes, guys, I'll be back to let you know. But meanwhile, tomorrow's reports, we'll be looking for the CPI, Consumer Price Index, as well as the Consumer Sentiment from the survey from University of Michigan. So you guys have a great day.